Mega cities of the world. Hello, beautiful people out there. Hope you are well. So glad you chose to learn some facts today. Keep rocking. A mega city is a very large city, typically with a population of more than 10 million people. If you live in one of the mega cities, please let us know some interesting facts about your city in the comment section below. Today we would talk about some of the many mega cities of the world. Would it surprise you if I say that the majority of the most populous cities are in the two most populated countries in the world? You guessed it right, China and India. Osaka, also known as the Manchester of Japan. Osaka means large hill or slope. It is located in the Kansai region of Honshu Island. It is the second largest metropolitan area in Japan and the 10th largest urban area in the world, with more than 19 million inhabitants. Osaka's sprawling cityscape has been described as only surpassed by Tokyo as a showcase of the Japanese urban phenomena. Central Osaka is roughly divided into downtown area known as Kita and uptown area known as Minami. Osaka Castle is a Japanese castle in Osaka and is one of Japan's most famous landmarks. Mumbai, India. Also known as Bombay, it is the capital city of the Indian state of Maharashtra. With a population of more than 20 million people, Mumbai is the financial, commercial and the entertainment capital of India. Mumbai is built on what was once an archipelago of 7 islands. Isle of Bombay, Parel, Mazagaon, Mahim, Kolaba, Worli, and Little Kolaba, also known as Old Woman's Island. Bollywood, the famous Hindi film industry, is based in Mumbai and it produces around 150 to 200 films every year. The name Bollywood is a blend of Bombay and Hollywood. Beijing, China, is the capital of the People's Republic of China. It is the world's most populous national capital city with over 21 million residents. Beijing is home to the headquarters of most of China's largest state-owned companies and houses the largest number of Fortune Global 500 companies in the world. Beijing is the billionaire capital of the world, with the highest number of billionaires living in the city. The Beijing Capital International Airport is one of the busiest in the world by passenger traffic. The Beijing Daxing International Airport, a second international airport in Beijing, is the largest single structure airport terminal in the world. To know more about the brilliant architect who designed this marvelous airport, please refer to the link given above. Cairo. It is the capital of Egypt and largest city in the Arab world. The Greater Cairo metropolitan area has a population of more than 21 million people and it is the second largest urban agglomeration in Africa. The largest in the Arab world and the Middle East and the sixth largest in the world. Cairo is associated with ancient Egypt as the Giza Pyramid complex, which is the only remaining ancient wonder of the world, and the ancient city of Memphis are located in its geographical area. It is called the City of a Thousand Minarets. A minaret is a tower that is built into or adjacent to a mosque. Dhaka is the capital and the largest city of Bangladesh. It is the eighth largest and the fourth most densely populous city in the world, with a population of over 22 million residents in the Greater Dhaka area. As the center of the Muslim trade in Bengal, the Mughals decorated the city with well-lit gardens, tombs, mosques, palaces, and forts. The city was once called the Venice of the East. The people of Bangladesh love cricket. The national stadium is located in Dhaka, and the city is also home to some of the top players in the country. Mexico City. It is the capital and largest city of Mexico, as well as the most populous city in North America. The current population of Mexico City is more than 21 million people. Mexico City has more than 150 museums. Mexico's National Autonomous University is the largest university in the world and Mexico's most important cultural project. Home to a whopping 300,000 students and almost 40,000 academics, it features cinemas, theaters, 3 orchestras, soccer teams, more than 30 museums in Mexico, and has campuses in Spain, France, US, Canada, and China. An alpha global city and with a population of more than 22 million, Sao Paulo is the most populous city proper in Brazil, the Americas, the Western Hemisphere, and the Southern Hemisphere, as well as the world's fourth largest city proper by population. Additionally, Sao Paulo is the largest Portuguese speaking city in the world. A global city, also called a power city, world city, alpha city, or world center, is a city which is a primary node in the global economic network. The metropolis is also home to several of the tallest skyscrapers in Brazil, including the Mirante do Vale, Edifico Italia, Banespa, North Tower. The city has cultural, economic, and political influence nationally and internationally. In the city of Sao Paulo alone, there are 420 helicopters, which can be seen day and night cruising high above its vast concrete horizon. Shanghai. With a population of more than 25 million people, it is the most populous urban area in China and the most populous city proper in the world. Shanghai is also classified as an Alpha Plus city. It is also ranked as having the third most competitive and largest financial center in the world, behind New York City and London. Shanghai is also known as the Pearl of Asia and the Paris of the East. Shanghai boasts the world's fastest train, the Shanghai Maglev, which connects Pudong International Airport to downtown Shanghai. For more, check out our video on China in the series Largest Countries of the World. The Bunch, Oriental Gold TV Tower, the Shanghai Tower are some of the modern marvels of the city, whereas Yew Garden, Jade Buddha Temple, City God Temple are examples of some of the traditional Chinese architecture in Shanghai. Delhi. The National Capital Territory of Delhi is a city and a union territory of India containing New Delhi, the capital of India. Delhi's urban agglomeration, which includes the satellite cities of Ghaziabad, Faridabad, Gurgaon, and Hyderabad in an area known as NCR or the National Capital Region, has an estimated population of over 30 million people, making it the largest metropolitan area in India and the second largest in the world. Delhi is home to the world's tallest brick structure, the Qutub Minar. The Lotus Temple in Delhi is the world's only structure of the Baha'i faith in Asia. The Red Fort or Lal Killa is a historic fort in Old Delhi. Delhi in India that served as the main residence of the Mughal emperors. Emperor Shah Jahan commissioned the construction of the Red Fort on May 12, 1638, when he decided to shift his capital from Agra to Delhi. Tokyo. It is the capital, the largest city, and the most populous metropolitan area in the Greater Tokyo area and Japan, as well as the most populous metropolitan area in the world. Tokyo is the political and economic center of the country, as well as the seat of the Emperor of Japan and the national government. The Greater Tokyo area is the most populous metropolitan area in the world, with over 37 million residents. The cherry blossom, the very beautiful cherry blossom, is the national symbol of Japan. In April, the trees flower for 2 weeks. This period is known as Hanami. The Shibuya crossing in Tokyo is one of the busiest crossings in the entire world, with around 2,500 people making their way across it at any given moment. That's it, guys. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Bye bye.